I just signed up for my first photography conference and I'm genuinely so excited. So I figured I'd bring you along for the whole thing, starting from the very beginning. All right, so I signed up for Shutterfest. And what is Shutterfest? Shutterfest is hosted by Sal Sincata of Behind the Shutter, and it's based in St. Louis, Missouri. And I've been following Sal Sincata for a long time, since Creative Live days, and I've always wanted to go to this conference, and I believe it's about 10 years old. It's about a week long, so 3 days of general admission for the conference, and then one extra day if you sign on for advanced classes, which I did. So what this conference is just like other conferences. We have lectures, we have lectures, and we have hands-on classes, we have live demonstrations from vendors and stuff like that. And the nice thing about this is it's also open to models. So models get to come for free. They apply to be a model, and then we have hundreds of models at the event so that whenever you're not in a class, you can do something called Rent a Human, and you can go and shoot with these models. And you can use their bays and their kind of vendor backdrops and stuff like that that are already set up. And then you can just find models after and shoot throughout the entire week. I'm hoping that I get enough from the classes to kind of like spill into my shoots with the models later in the day. I live in the middle of Saskatchewan, and I'm always kind of complaining that there isn't enough close hands-on education. And I want to go to a conference, but I'm not really sure which one to go to. And this one just seemed to make sense. It's during my Easter break, so I don't have to miss any work to take it. And I also applied as a conference that I could go to for professional development in my job. So my school division is actually paying my way there because I use my photography in my classroom mostly every day. So I did sign up, and I signed up in September, which seems a really early, but I was worried that my division wouldn't pay for me to go. So I signed up, and then I submitted all my paperwork, and my conference was approved. You don't need to sign up that early. You maybe need to sign up a couple months before the conference is there, and you could actually even just pay the full fee, not the early bird price, and go the day before. The only problem about that is that you get all the information about the classes about 2 months early, and you are asked to join a Facebook feed, and for months you're kind of on this feed. You kind of get lost in the fact that you don't like checking Facebook, and you don't want to go on there all the time because Facebook is annoying, and it allows everybody to post, which is good and bad. So I found that like in the couple months before the event is that I didn't really care what was being posted on there because it was too far in advance. But closer to the time of the event, they send you information, and you'll get an email that says, here are the classes, here's the app. And on March 23rd, you're able to sign up for those classes. So you get a spreadsheet. They do a really nice job. They give you a whole spreadsheet of all the classes. And then you have to whittle through them and kind of find which ones would be most interesting to you. And of course, I used AI to do this because I want to go to senior classes. I want to try a boudoir class, and I just want to generally learn lighting at this conference. And it was able to narrow it down. And then I was able to make kind of a priority list for the classes that I wanted to take. Now, the day of signing up for the classes, it was extremely stressful because everybody on there on the Facebook group is kind of saying like, I hope I get into my classes, and things fill up really quickly. So I was here at work, and I basically told my staff members, leave me alone, I'm signing up for a conference. And I waited to the second that the clock ticked over at 10 o'clock and the app opened up to me. And what I did was I had these highlighted classes that I really wanted to take, and in the time slots. And what I went through was I just found the classes that I 100% wanted to take immediately, and I went and signed up for those immediately, like within 10 seconds of it opening. And then I would go to the next one that I really, really wanted to go to. And I always had a backup plan. If I didn't get into the first class, I'd have one in the same hour. I have to admit that by the time I got my main classes that I really wanted, the other classes that I was okay with not getting into, they filled up immediately. Within minutes, some of these classes filled up. I was extremely grateful that I took the advice of people saying, like, get on it that day. I got into some really cool classes, and I'm really excited because most of them are hands-on classes. So I'm hopeful that it's not too many people per class, and then I get a little bit of experience with my own camera. Now, once I had my schedule lined up, the next step was all the gaps in my schedule. So I have classes in the morning, and then right around noon or 1 o'clock, I have from 1 o'clock till 4:30 open. And then after 6:30, I have the whole evening open. Now, what they have parties and stuff like that, but quite honestly, I'm going there for photography, so I'm not worried about attending the parties. So then you go on to the model page on the website, and they have a list of hundreds of models, and they have a clickable link where you can email or send an Instagram or Facebook message to the models. I kind of just sat there and went through the different types of models that have different looks, and I sent them a DM and said, hey, I was just wondering your Shutterfest availability. Love to shoot with you. Not immediately, but over the last 5 days, my schedule has pretty much filled up to the point where I don't really care if I have another shoot with another model, because I'm a little bit worried about A, my battery's dying halfway through the day, and B, just being like kind of exhausted from starting at 9 in the morning till late at night. For the first time here, I know other people were like setting up model shoots and stuff like that, but I didn't know what my schedule was going to look like. So I waited until after I got my course schedules lined up, and then I tried to fill in the gaps with models. The advice that I'd give to anybody, I'm hoping somebody watches this next year and when they decide to go to Shutterfest, is pay attention to the sign-up times. Be prepared to sign up for the classes you want. I think hopefully that you'll be able to fill in your schedule after you've got the courses that you want to take. I'm really excited to learn. I love hands-on classes. It'll be really interesting. I've never been to an event where there's a whole bunch of photographers. I don't know if I'm going to nerd out or if I'm going to be overwhelmed by the amount of photographers there. I'm extremely excited to travel St. Louis. Unfortunately, I'll be in this conference the whole time, so I don't even know if I'll be able to get a St. Louis Blues game in, or I know the Boston Red Sox are playing in St. Louis, so maybe I'll get a game in on the Friday night, but I'm not too worried about the extracurricular. I'm really excited to go and learn. I'm hoping that these videos, I will make one every night, kind of recap what happened on what day. I'm hoping to get some behind the scenes of all my shoots, and I'm hoping that you follow along in this short little vlog mini series that I'm putting together. My name is Chris Hartman. I'm based out of Regina, Saskatchewan. I'm a high school teacher primarily, but I'm a very excited photographer going to my first ever conference in St. Louis. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Can't wait to see you next.